Hello friends, this week I decided to do a little different adventure. Can you imagine just jump the wee plane and head to the north of beautiful Scotland? That is exactly what I did.
First flake of gold.
Prospectors and miners have been extracting nuggets from brooks and shafts for hundreds of years, dating back to the Iron Age. In 1852, discovery of gold in Fife and gold valued £4 per ounce, many labor workers moved to the local hills with the prospect of making their yearly wages in just 1 month. Yearly wage in that time was just £50 per year. They literally sucks because their golden blinking eyes end up as a big finds of pyrite. From that time is this part of history called Fool's Gold Rush. In this video we head to the north of the Scotland, firstly by car then airplane, to prove theory that there is a gold everywhere in Scotland. If you enjoy my video, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow in my filmmaking journey.
Oh, good girl. Good girl. I have a helper here. Good girl. Good girl.
She actually is that.
You want to help to me? Good girl. Look at that beauty. This is Scotland. first flake of gold. I'm not sure if you guys see it, but it's there. We ran out a few buckets and we have a very small flake of gold, and that's it. But it's proving us that it's gold in every river in Scotland. And have a nice day, people.